Just arrived here near to, we're going to have a 7-minute walk down to the Golden Temple. You have to buy a head covering or be given a head covering. Was it Manreet? Or what did it say? Is that his name? Manreet? Hello. Is it Manreet? And your name? Mitu.
Yes.
The head covering, Mitu. We are further.
Yes.
Okay. So it's like all big major tourist attractions, all the streets around it full of souvenir shops. Nicely paved, nice and clean. But the crowds are building as we get nearer the entrance. I checked his name again, I still can't remember it. Money. So it's just after 11 o'clock in the morning. It's going to be a sunny day. No cars allowed by the looks of it. Motorbike trailer. Cycle rickshaws. No. Oh yeah. Oh, 50 rupees over there, down for scarves.
Yes, if you want Punjabi dress, I have ready-made also, ma'am.
Maybe on the way back. Yeah. Man selling coconut quarters there. I haven't had any coconut yet. Oh, dog, look. It's too hot already for the dog. Oh, yes, yeah. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Some good shops, aren't they? Yeah. They've all got like fixed price, 300s for shoes and things. Yeah. I'm sorry, my wife can't walk very fast. She's got bad knee, so just slowly. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
We can see it.
Loads of prices. Yeah, the top. Well, what my that in the main temple. That must just be one of the domes. Oh, there's plenty of benches all along here, darling. Yeah, it's all kept lovely and clean. Ice sticks with things. Hey? Lovely, is it? Yeah. Well, scarves will be all right because they're not going to add any weight to the case. Oh, dogs. The floor will be cool actually, won't it, I suppose, once they lay down with it. Oh, another one over there. Yeah, but no cows. I wonder what that is. We'll have to ask. Yeah. So you can get a handbag and all the stuff in your handbag luggage. You just pack your handbag and still it goes in that bag.
Yeah.
As long as they don't weigh it. But up to now they haven't weighed hand luggage, have they? Oh, we're very close, I can tell, to the Golden Dome. Although that's not the main temple. 11:15 in the morning. Hello, how are you? Oh, yeah.
Hello, कैसे हो?
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
My name?
Roger. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Just you put a head over the head.
Is your new country?
England.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you live here in Amritsar?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good city. Yeah. Good. Thank you.
Somebody else wants to say hello to.
Oh, hello, sir.
Sir, 10 rupees.
Oh, 10. Yeah.
How much?
10.
Oh, for 10
10. Yeah.
Don't want to put
You hold that. Oh, you will do it. Yeah. Thank you. Sure. Thank you. Oh. Getting very busy. If you had like a bright yellow shirt, it would be easy. Everybody's sort of kissing the ground. This must be like the way we consider it starts. We'll have to take our shoes off here. Yeah, free baggage room. So we get a ticket, free toilets. Shoes off, socks off. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. You be video man. This way. That's it. Yeah. Shoes off, socks off. Oh, this will be refreshing and cool. Yeah. Yeah, good. Thank you. You take the ticket down and we'll sort it out after. Free service. Number 5, yeah.
What do you want me to pay?
No, free service, window 5.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, he's been very helpful.
Yeah.
We asked his name twice. Manit, I think. I'm not sure.
Mentor.
Manjit.
Was it Mentor?
No, not mentor. Thank you. Yeah. So go back to the same window, number 5.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. This is the shoe taking off area. How do I look down here?
Pardon?
How do I look?
Oh, absolutely amazing.
Does it do something for me?
Yeah.
You look nice in a scarf though.
Sure.
Yeah, you do, yeah. Cover your front. This might be a Taj Mahal moment for me. I know not for you. But might be where you go through here, you see it in front of you.
Sir, hand wash.
Oh yes. So we've now got to wash our hands before we go in the temple. I'll wash my hands. Can you hold that and then I'll take it over. Thank you. Foot wash as well.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Thank you. No holding hands on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hi.
Look around.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
You walk towards the camera. Yeah.
Okay.
Lovely. Thank you for doing that. So we just go through
Yes.
and foot wash,
Yes. Okay.
and then we can just walk around.
Yes. Or shoes.
The shoes, yes.
Come back. Parking.
Will you be in the same? Will you be in the same place, or do we wait outside?
Are we walking around?
Yeah. When we come back,
Parking.
do we come to where the car is now, or just stand outside?
Shoes.
Yes. Yeah, shoes. Got that. Yeah. Walk around.
Parking.
Back to the parking.
I wait.
Okay.
Parking.
Time now. What time?
11:30.
11:30. So 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Yeah.
No. 3 o'clock. No. Lunch time.
Lunchtime.
No, we're okay for lunch.
No lunch.
No.
Going 3 o'clock. Border state.
No.
Border no.
No.
Another day.
After today, after temple
Okay.
at 3 o'clock, Lawrence Road, the
Yes.
market.
Yes.
Yeah. If you could take us there.
Border no.
Not today. No,
Not
not
today.
today.
1 minute.
We're here for 4 days, so
1 minute.
yeah. Tell you what, to say it's crowded, it's orderly.
Yeah.
Looks brilliant in the sunshine. Can't wait to go through the arch and see the temple properly.
हाँ जी सर बॉर्डर नहीं जाना चाहते एक मिनट गल करावां ਤੁਹਾਡੀ सर
Hello. Good morning. Hello. Who am I speaking to? Oh, Delhi office. Okay. Hello. Can you? I can't hear him. Yeah.
Hello. Good morning. I'm fine. How are you? Yes, everything's perfect. Thank you very much. Right, what we'd like to do is we're going to visit the Golden Temple, and we're going to have a walk around the market, and we'll meet the driver at 3 o'clock. Is that okay?
To go to Lawrence Road Market.
3 o'clock. Where he's parked, in the parking bay that he's already parked in. He's in a car park. Yeah, 3, and then we'd like him to take us to
Lawrence Road Market.
Lawrence Road Market. Is that okay? No, that's it, thank you. Thank you for your help. I'll put you back on, thank you.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ
One thing a day and then do what we want for the rest of the day.
Yeah. Yeah. So I need to make it a video about a place just down there where we left the car. But that'll be like a proper video, you know, not just wandering about. Yeah, so it's only shallow, so I guess it. Yes, sir. Oh, no camera. No camera. Oh.